Bitcoin more than $80,000. What's going on out there? You wanna know everything about the crypto market? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Ornido, fan on the ride, your host for the most. Today, so happy again because we are making new highs every day. You see that we are so close to $82,000 that I just wrote it there because probably it's going to be smashed in the next hours or days. Ethereum 3,249. We broke the $3,000 line, which was what we wanted. And what about altcoins? Well, Bitcoin dominance is falling and altcoins are going up. Maybe the moment that you were waiting for. Is this true? Are we in all time for some of these altcoins? Are we in the alt season? Maybe so. Well, Mustacher told us that after the accumulation period, we are in the point where everybody's gonna make it. Like, for example, with Dogecoin or with other meme coins, or maybe with Cardano. We're gonna talk about some altcoins today because those are making the highs. And you can see Dogecoin is 83% in the last 7 days. Cardano is 71% in the last 7 days. Sui is 65%, or Pepe is 45%. Thank Pepe. That's a good thing. Well, we have an all-time high for Sui just 3 hours ago, and Bitcoin, it was 4 hours ago at the time of the recording. So if you want to know which is the next hot coin out there, of course, you need now more than ever dextools.io, where you find all the information, winners and losers. And also you need more than ever coin tracking, so you can track your portfolio and do your tax report. And you have the link in the description below with a 10% discount if you need the paid version. Well, here we have Cardano, and you can see this crazy rise, 0.659 right now, and we are dreaming on all-time highs, $3 again. Maybe so. Why is that? Well, are you validating with us in the pool? You should, because we are validating like crazy. 2 blocks in the last epoch. And the thing is that Charles Hoskinflor, well, he is allegedly friend with the new government in United States, and maybe, remember that Donald Trump was going to create this expert council. Maybe Charles Hoskinflor is going to be there. And if he is there, if that's the case, well, he can recommend Cardano. And if that's the case, well, Cardano might rise to the roof. And that's why probably everybody's FOMOing into Cardano. But also on Doge, remember this meme with the Lion King and Elon Musk? Well, now we have it, but with Donald Trump. Elon Musk, Donald Trump, those are supporting Dogecoin right now. Remember this chart, this happy chart, weekly one? And we told you that we might go to $17. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice whatsoever. Do not trade with my opinion. But, well, we thought that. And I don't remember why, but probably it was interesting. I have to watch my own videos. We have a lot about Doge Mania and how we can go out 23%, 23,000%. Crazy stuff in this channel, of course. Remember to smash the like button. Going back to Ethereum, we were so happy because we closed going up this gap that we had in the Ethereum futures in the CME, but not so happy today because we have this one, and maybe we need to go a little bit down to 3,000 again, a little bit lower than 3,000 in order to keep on going higher. Also remember that Ethereum has this gap in 1,400, sorry. So are these going to be filled or not? Is the end for that gap and we are going to rise from this point? We'll see in the future, but consider that the next president of the United States owns Ethereum. So a supporter, the crypto fear and index just tapped a 7-month high as Bitcoin rallied 6.15 on November 10 to cross 81K. And we have some very interesting thoughts today. Bitcoin ETFs are buying during the week, and that FOMOs to weekend buyers. Then weekend buyers buy a lot, and that gives FOMO to new ETF buyers. So this is a cycle that is being positive for us right now. And no wonder MicroStrategy, for those FOMOing in the weekdays, is now 10 billion in profits on their Bitcoin. Everybody wants their piece. Here, Michael Saylor telling us you will spend 14,000 hours of your life trying to make money. It's worthwhile to spend 100 hours figuring out how to keep it. And we tell you how here on our show Crypto News, of course. It's interesting to know that exactly 3 years ago today, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of 69,000. Today, Bitcoin made history again, surpassing 80,000, no, close to 82 for first time ever. We have the candles that they have no room in our computers. Also, they have no room in our rooftops. Crazy week. And congratulations to everybody that said in Spanish TV that Bitcoin was just a joke. Yeah, thank you very much. Now who's laughing when we are surviving all the black swans and all the crazy things that happen out there with fiat, with the geopolitical tensions, and we are making our money? Interesting thought also from Miles here, that's telling us that we are entering in a part of the cycle where the big crypto YouTubers like Becker, Elio, Bunter, like myself, have more to say in terms of narrative than the city folks. So when we are in crypto winter, here the idea is that Twitter is where people are making the little that they can. But now that Retail is coming back, they are not going straight to Twitter. They are going to go to YouTube, and so the narratives might start on YouTube channels. Very interesting. Also consider that in a bull market, it always feels like everyone else is making more money than you. Do not get FOMOing, do not take credits out there. You might lose everything. Consider also that maybe the worst move in a bull market can be selling your stock, hoping to buy more on a pullback. Odds are that you won't catch the bottom and end up waiting too long only to change and buy back higher. I did that in the past a lot. You had 8 months to buy low. The trend now is up, so adjust accordingly. And also, people will never tell you how easy it is to lose everything. So do not FOMO. That's my advice. Of course, there are a lot of channels out there will tell you signals, will tell you courses, how to trade, how to make a quick buck. But this is not our idea here in this channel. We want you to learn about Bitcoin, understand the technology, understand Ethereum, understand all the other altcoins, and maybe start your portfolio, create some investment for the future. And that way, maybe through staking, through other ways, you can make a living. But be careful out there with making a quick buck. Any case, this is my card now. And you can see that I like to go and have my fresh weed out there. But then I go to my car and I go home. This is the car I'm using in the field. Amazing stuff. Also, you can read here Bitcoin to be political imperative, owning non-aliability. This is what NYDIG's global head of research, Greg Cipollaro, told us. Investors who might have found it easy to dismiss or ignore the asset for various reasons will come to do so at their financial peril. Very interesting. Everybody come to their senses and see here that ETFs are making highs, so institutions are buying like crazy. Also, they are not just buying Bitcoin, but they are buying also Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum on top highs, institutions buying like crazy. Coinbase now ranks 81 on the App Store, so we are back into the 100. That means retail coming into the scene. German Parliament member Johanna Cortard said, if the US buy Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, then I think all European countries will get FOMO. Germany that sold their Bitcoin, crazy people, but they might buy it more expensive now. And what about Larry Flynn from BlackRock? Well, he said, I do believe the role of crypto is digitalizing gold in many ways. Bitcoin is an international asset. So, yeah, the technology and the top guys out there know about it. What about Ethereum? Well, Banek CEO said Ethereum is a contrarian play right now. This is good entry point for Ethereum. Ethereum will be one of the big winners. We like hearing that, of course. Also, from Van Eck, they say that 108 billion, no, sorry, they had 108 billion in the company, and the BRICS and Argentina, they're mining Bitcoin with gold resources. So yeah, very, very interesting. They are extracting 808 billion with that resources from the government. So interesting. Retail coming back. The searches of Google, you can see that are here again. And Bitcoin closing the best weekly candle on history. We love watching that. Congratulations if you trusted the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. Now enjoy the rise. Maybe we are in the banana parabolic mode, even though you should be a little prudent there. But some people telling us we are in our way to 100K. Maybe we have this cap and handle pattern that will bring us to 270,000. Also, Crypto Robert saying 280. So yeah, 70, 80. And Peter Brand also talking about 125K by New Year's Eve, which is amazing. We told you about 100K in 52 days. Now we are closing that. We are just 50 days away to that 100K. We follow 2021 and we are doing it. It doesn't mean that we have to, but right now you can see the chart is crazy similar. So again, December the 13th, 100K for Bitcoin, hopefully so. And maybe not, maybe we go down a little bit, but then we get, if we follow 2017, to the $2 million range. Awesome stuff too. That would be amazing for our investment. Of course, November in the 14.95%, but in the past, it wasn't as good. Just here with the green one, I was expecting more like an orange 5%. So consider that we still have time to go down at the end of this month. Or maybe not. Maybe we are not just mentally prepared for what's going on now and we are going to the moon. Dollar needs to go down and it's not going down today, it's going up. So maybe the stock market will fall today and we have some bad time for Bitcoin and altcoins. Maybe so. Any case, congratulations to you and congratulations to El Salvador that is now $100 million in profits on their Bitcoin. United States lowers the travel alert for El Salvador due to the reduction in crime. They can't stop what's going on in El Salvador. Congratulations. And we are embarrassed that the fiat world is like this. In Spain, well, people in charge of not laundering money, they were having that money in the wall in their house. This is our country. We are terrible, terrible. Any case, so many things to improve in this and other countries in the world. Maybe Bitcoin will help us with this. And here we have this cat trying to turn back time because he wants to go like 20 days ago and buy some Bitcoin. You can't do that, Kitty. But remember that it's not about the money. You can see this cat having fun with some toy that was thrown away, that was considered waste or rubbish, and he's just enjoying life. As we do with no money, it's okay. We keep on learning with Inteligencia Artificial about AI, of course, and with Noticias Bitcoin Crypto News with Rodrigo Ornido. Fun on the right here. Health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come.